All right, welcome back to another video. We're back with Sydney's car.
Hey.
And we're back with Sydney. So the last time we did a video, it was her second driving lesson ever. The first driving lesson ever was in the S65. The second one was around this park that we're sitting right now. So when we did that one, Sydney was just about to turn 16. Now she is 16 and she has her permit. Is your hair okay?
Yeah.
Is it all right? So Sydney's been practicing more lately,
Right.
and today it's not going to be the first time for her, but it's going to be the first time for me where we're going out on the highway. So this is driving lesson number 3.
2.
No, it's 3.
3.
For you and me, it's 3 in Sydney's own car. And it's raining a little bit. We got a thunderstorm upon us here. Where are you going?
Going over the car.
Hopefully it won't be that bad. If it is that bad, we'll just pull over and I'll take over.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
So do you remember from last time? So like do your sequence, put your seatbelt on, do the whole thing, start the car.
Then I gotta put it.
We got to pull this hoodie back a little bit because it impedes your peripheral vision. That's not, okay, so now you're good. Put it in reverse. And then we got to go that way.
Oh right.
So pull out to the right. Now we got can't get demonetized.
Oh, from Little Mermaid music.
Yeah, any kind of music.
So I can't play like Ariana
Right.
Grande, Tyler the Creator.
No, we're not playing any Ariana Grande whatsoever. Oh, it stopped raining almost. Like I said, I mean, you've kind of been out on the highway with your mother. I've never been on the highway with you.
Been on the highway a lot.
Okay. All right, so we're literally on the road for the first time, me and Sydney.
Make sure it's not in like the plus or minus one.
It's not in the plus or minus, it's in drive. Trust me, I made sure.
Yeah. I made
Yeah.
that mistake once.
So now get in the left lane. There you go. Use your, oh, that's good, good. And then stay in this left lane here. Okay, this is the right lane, but that's okay. We can stay here. How does it feel?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
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 So it doesn't feel good.
Well, no, because my mirrors aren't adjusted right, and I can't see anything.
But what do you mean your mirror's not adjusted? Okay, all right. So here's what we're gonna do. When you see this red light over here, you're gonna make a right turn, okay?
We're gonna pull the sheets.
Yes. And then you're gonna adjust the mirrors like I told you to do, even though it wasn't on video, but I told you to do that. You gotta adjust your mirrors before you leave. So make a right turn here.
It's like,
You see what I'm saying? Like, you gotta fix this stuff before you leave.
I thought it was like a different. I don't know.
Right, but this is how you learn. Just because it looks okay in a parking spot doesn't mean that technically it's the way that you should have it. So this is a learning experience. It's actually good. This doesn't mean you're gonna crash. As long as you're like really careful, you'll be fine. But wait.
I'm looking.
No. So now you're pulling out. You gotta use your turn signal, even if you're looking. So now we're gonna merge. That's not the highway, but we're about to merge onto the highway.
Oh, you're not nervous.
I am, but Jesus is on my side. I've been praying.
Oh, like you scared me when you said that. I thought you were being like dead serious. Like you're actually scared. Then that makes me scared.
No, I'm not scared. I wouldn't be sitting. I don't want to die.
I've done this
Talking
before.
about- yeah. Okay.
I know I have to yield up here and everything.
Yeah.
I'm too narrow.
Yeah. So you just gotta wait for this Porsche. He's a little too.
Porsche?
Yeah, it's a Porsche, whatever. So you just gotta wait. I would squeeze in between here, but you're not ready for that yet. So don't pull over there. You still gotta You gotta still stay to the right because we're making a right here. All right. So now you can go.
Go. I can go.
All right. Yeah. No, because there's no car coming over there. Stay to the right here. We're going towards Erie.
I'm aware.
There we go. Your first merge, at least with me in the car.
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, me too. Really? The camera's making me nervous.
I'm not filming you, so that's fine. All right. So keep your eye on that. Yeah, there you go. If you see a car coming, you got to slow down now because you're about to merge.
I think I can
Yeah.
go.
Okay, go. Yeah, you're fine. and then just stay in this lane right here. Good job, Sid. Look at you. The merger. What? First time on the highway. That's awesome.
All right.
How you feeling?
Fine.
Feeling okay?
Uh-huh.
All right. So you're going 59
Do I have to merge?
in a 55.
I do have to merge.
Yeah, so yeah, you merge right now into the middle lane. There you go. Good job. Stay in the middle lane. There you go. And you keep this distance to this car right here. And here's the thing. We have a new safety feature for you in the car.
Okay.
And that is the new 70mi Omni that films in 4K. So thanks to 70mi for sponsoring this video. If you follow my channel, you know how much I love dash cams and how important I think they are. This is a very unique dash cam. It doesn't look like other dash cams, and it has a 360 swivel. Shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Now, I have previously reviewed the first generation Omni, which is this one here. The new one has new and advanced features. So this camera shoots in 4K, not just 30 frames per second, it shoots in 4K 60. And if you're not really familiar with frame rates and so on, the higher frame rate you have, the better the resolution is, especially during higher speeds and action shots and so on. It films with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, which is basically the golden standard when it comes to dash cam imagery. It is super simple to install. I've done this so many times in different videos. If you want to see a full install process, you can check out the video that I did recently on the T800, but you basically just tuck the cord in between these seams here. You can hardly even see it. It also comes with a rear camera that films in 1080p. So with the 360-degree rotating front lens and the rear camera, you're covered from every angle, and the resolution is amazing, as you guys can see here, just from the daytime shots for the front camera and also for the rear camera. Now here in the US, every car gets like factory tint from the factory, so the windshield in the back is obviously a little darker, but even during the nighttime, 70mi uses their night owl vision. So even through the back, you have very good visibility, but especially from the front where it films in 4K. Capturing license plates is definitely no problem, but you can also capture the sunset. Now, we've opted to power the dash cam through the 12 volt. It also comes available with a hard wiring kit and an option for 4G connectivity. And what that does is that you can access the dash cam remotely. So let's say you're parked on a busy road or a big public parking lot. If your car is hit, the dash cam senses it and automatically sends you a notification to your 70mi app. Now, we all hope that nothing like that ever happens, of course, but this is great for parking surveillance when you're not around your car. The best thing about having a dash cam is peace of mind. If you're in an accident and it's not your fault, you can actually prove it because everything was caught on video. So it comes with a little screen right there. You have an SD card slot here on the side, and then you can take a picture and power it off and on right there. And it's not big enough to impede your vision when you're driving either. You can install the dash cam up here to the right if that's what you want to do. Now you can access the 70mi app and check your album for footage for the front and the rear camera. You can switch between the front and the rear camera as well. So this is going to be a great addition to Sydney's car, especially when it comes to safety and especially as a new driver. So July 8th through the 11th is Amazon Prime Days, and 70mi are running crazy discounts on pretty much all their models. The 4K Omni is 15% off. Now they have another little budget-friendly model called the A810. You get 30% off of that one. So thanks to 70mi for sponsoring today's video. Check out the links in the description for great deals on 70mi dash cams during Amazon Prime Days. Now back to the video. Sydney's so nervous. I love it. No, but you're doing good, Sid. You're doing good.
Thank you.
All right, so you see this sign here, airport?
I know how to get there.
I thought you said that you didn't know.
This is my first rodeo.
Oh, okay, so you're cocky now.
No, I know how to get to places. I live here.
Bruh.
I've lived here.
So we're just gonna take this exit right here, and then we're going on 376.
Okay.
There you go.
It's getting really misty out here.
It's fine. All right, so you gotta slow down a little bit because it's a
what I'm doing.
Steep turn here.
I know it's a steep turn.
Don't get too confident, girl. Still got there. There you go. Good job. As we all know, I don't get to see Sydney as often as I used to. So this is super fun for me. She gets to learn how to drive, and I get to sit next to her and somewhat like guide her a little bit. She's getting a lot better though. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to merge. This is what it's like. This is life when it comes to driving. There you go. No, but you have plenty of time over here in this lane. It's fine. Just slow down. Come to a stop. Come to a stop. There you go.
Are you kidding me?
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Dude.
Hey, you're fine. Come to a stop. You're at a stop. You're fine. All right. So after this white car, wait. Not this car.
Oh my God.
Wait. You're fine.
That guy cut me off.
He didn't cut you off.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't. This is a work zone. See this? Work zone. You're fine. You just gotta wait a second. Okay, now go out. Good job. Go. Yeah, see, you got it. Good job. Got to accelerate a little bit. There you go. Now you're fine. You can get off the gas.
That Mercedes behind me was.
He did not cut you off. It's a work zone. Okay, so they had cut off the lane. See, it usually goes all the way over here. This is great learning for you.
You didn't get that swearing.
Sydney was freaking out. But good job. You handled it well, though. You can't get too emotional when you're driving.
My experiences usually aren't like this when I'm driving
right,
with Mom.
But they're gonna, it doesn't matter. They're gonna. What do you mean when you're driving with Mom?
I haven't had this complication.
No, but you're supposed to have this complication. This is how you learn.
You can't just stop in the middle of a highway.
Yeah, you can. There was a merging point because there's road work going on here. See, that lane is cut off. It usually is not. But that's gonna happen like during all the years that you're driving. You're doing great. So just stay in this lane here. You're doing fine. Oh, see, Copper, he's not doing anything. Cops just passed us. Just stay here. See, this is what I'm saying. Just because this car passed you on the right side, which technically it's not supposed to do, but it's gonna happen all the time.
Oh my God, this guy's right on my butt.
Oh my God.
Get away from me.
Look at this guy.
Please get away.
Just stay in this lane. You'll be fine.
Go.
No, it's a chick. It's a she. Get in the right lane then.
It's not time yet.
All right. Yeah, it is, because they're taking this exit here. So just stay in,
Ah.
get in this right lane here.
I can't do it yet.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. There's no one there. There you go. Yeah, just stay in the slow lane as you should. As you're still learning. Doing good, Sid. Doing good. It's been 8 years since you sat in my car back in the day and you were like, I like the red seatbelt. Even though your car doesn't have the red seatbelt.
Right.
You were a little squirt. You were like 7 years old. Now you're 16 and driving your own car. All right, so we're just driving through the airport here because this is a spot where you got to drive really slowly. There's a lot of cars. Not really a lot of cars right now, but there's people crossing here and there. And then we're just going to circle the airport and go back. Okay, just come to a complete stop here. Make sure that someone, you see that big ass pillar? Yeah, make sure no one's coming there. It's not a stop sign technically.
What is he saying?
It's not at you. There's a cop yelling and screaming over here. Whatever. Yeah, just keep going. Doing good. There you go.
Hey, wait. Dude.
Yeah.
That guy wasn't even
That was
looking.
wrong. That was wrong. So how stressed are you now from a scale from 1 to 10? No, but honestly.
Like a 6.
6? All right.
Earlier it was like a 9.
Okay. Well, you did good. You did good. Yeah, so there was a guy when we went around the airport that almost merged right into us. Of course, I wasn't filming at the
Well, he
time,
had
but
to
the
yield.
dash cam, he did have to yield, but he didn't. I got to get that footage off the dash cam. It wasn't super dramatic, but for someone that's a new driver and having a dude that just like is not paying attention, go straight. So you see this guy just standing here, he's got his hazards on. Where are your hazards at? Do you know? There you go, click them. All right, first time on the highway, at least with me. And I think the first time on the highway with as much traffic. You were a little stressed out, which is good because that is just a good training. Because things like that are gonna happen. Once you have your license, you drive by yourself and all that stuff, no one's with you, and you freak out, then what are you gonna do? when like traffic is happening. You can't just like, oh, call someone, because you're not gonna have time. You got to figure it out. So I think you did good. Freaked out a little bit. I get it. It gets emotional sometimes, but you did good.
I was like basically crying almost.
Almost.
But I didn't, so.
No, you did good. It's fun to have Sydney back in a video every now and then.
Yes.
So I guess whenever you get your license, which is in about like 5 months, then we'll do another video. You ready for that, or?
Yeah. Oh, they're gonna miss me for 5 months.
Well, I mean, unless we come up with some fun idea, maybe they can leave like some options in the comments or whatever. But then at that time, you can come pick me up at my place, and then we'll go get like Starbucks or something. Get a pinky drinky.
I can't drive by myself. How can I come pick you up?
Well, if you have your license, you can drive by yourself. You just come pick me up.
True, you're right.
That's what a license means.
I can.
You have some freedom all of a sudden. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out the 70 mi Omni. Special deals going on right now for Amazon Prime Days. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.